Hello guys, it's me again. I posted a video earlier about getting a keto crate. The purpose of that video was essentially the same as this one. I want to save time and I want to save money. And if this doesn't allow me to save time and money, I'm going to see what my other options are and find the best one, because that's what you're supposed to do in life. You're supposed to play a scientist, have your goals in mind, what you're trying to accomplish, and then test out different things. I'm really interested in learning new recipes, eating a more balanced diet, not having to go shopping. My meal plan is going to be a lot different than anybody else. I know that there's a plethora of different people, out there in different circumstances, and they have different goals. I did the 2 meals per day, and then I did 6 meals per week. So in here I have 12 servings and 6 different meals. I just wanted to let you guys see the unboxing process. So there's 4 steps on this box when you open it. I already downloaded the app on my phone. Welcome to America's #1 meal kit. My meals, 5 of them. Then another one, peek inside for special deal. And then it says, give a box of deliciousness. Why you're going to love us. They say save time and money, make an impact, enjoy 5-star recipes. So flex this to your lifestyle. Like I said, it has to depend on your goals. You want it to be a win-win situation in all dynamics of your life. We got spiritual, we got physical, mental, and social. But I'm going to go ahead and throw another one in there and say financial. So that's 5 pillars of life that we want to be cognitive of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meals. All of them are correct. We have 5 of the meat. The best way to look at things that you're spending money is how much you make an hour. Is this food worth 11 hours of my life? That's the big question. Money is something that you can constantly make, but your time you can't get back. And if you're giving your time to make money, then look at it that way, alright? But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get all this in my refrigerator, and I'm going to get all of this stuff recycled and thrown away as it's needed to be. I'll update you guys further on how this process is going, and if it lives up to the 5-star recipe hype, and if it saves me time and money. I hope to see you guys soon. Catch me next week for an update on the box, and then the following weeks to see where I'm going next. And remember, keep your goals in mind. Try to save your time, try to save your money, so you can have more energy to do the things that you love. Bye-bye.